We're making pumpkin pancakes. Let's get started. We're gonna put our dry ingredients in here and our wet ingredients in here. 1.5 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is our secret ingredient, pumpkin spice. 1 teaspoon, like a spoon, first tea and spoon. 2 eggs. Now we're gonna add some pureed pumpkin. We like it extra pumpkin-y. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna add 3/4 cup of milk. We're making these because my dad loves pumpkin pie. He's the one that's recording. We like to add coconut oil to our pan. Okay, the pancakes are all finished. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.